Hey, it's Marge V. Welcome back to my channel.
Hold up.
So today we're going to have our BeautyCon 2025 haul. So if you're one of those people who are wondering if it's worth it to attend the BeautyCon, this is for you. Ngayon lang ulit ako nag-film ng medyo long form video, and I think this would be very helpful for those people who are wondering, attend nga ba ako ng BeautyCon 2026 next year? So, let's dive in. If you are wondering, ito yung mga naiuwi ko from the BeautyCon. So, una is itong malaking brown Watson's paper bag. Next is this. So, halo-halo na siya ha. Hindi ito lahat from fresh. Nilagyan ko lang siya ng mga iba pang bagay kasi ang liit ng bag na dala ko. And then, itong napakalaki at punong-puno na BeautyCon loot bag. Ayan, let's go. Simulan natin dito sa clear na eco bag na to from Fresh. May kasama to na ito, limited edition Fresh Scent Lab Midnight Serenade. It's a cologne. It's a cologne for men. So, my husband got this. And then, may kasama rin siyang Fresh Charcoal Breath Mist. So I think you can get this one for free if you buy this. And then, ito naman, I got these eco bags na super high quality at super social. Ang kapal niya. This is from Issy. Sobrang cute niya. Para siyang banig. I'm not sure if you'll see yung texture niya. Pero ang kapal niya. And it's something na magagamit mo talaga. And I got two. Ito yung mga kasama niya. Itong Easy Cream Cheek Blush, Soft Touch Melty Blush. So, I got two as well. I'll open one. So, ito siya inside. There you go. Ayan. So, merong iba't ibang shades. There are 14 shades of the Cream Cheek Blush. Yan. And I have two of them. Hindi lang yan, meron pang kasama na binigay si itong Scent of Familiarity from Issy. So, I got two as well. And that's a cologne. It's actually a perfume pala. Oh, cute. Then, last for this clear tote bag is itong stickers from Issy. It's Issy in collaboration with Atomic World PH. So, ayan, super cute. Look at that. I got those from Issy, and I think I got more. Sorry, gulo-gulo kasi talaga yung mga naiuwi ko kasi talagang hindi ko na alam kung saan sila ilalagay. But, that's it. And let's now check yung Watson's na big brown paper bag. So ito, this is one of my favorites. Nagamit ko na siya actually. This is Kotex Cinnamon Roll Pack. I think bago lang siya na ino-offer ni Kotex. I really am a Kotex user. So I like this so much. And ayun nga, cute. Kasi cinnamon roll siya. I think my cousins would like this. So I think I would give this to them. Yung lalagyan. So meron siya nitong malaki na 16 pads. And then meron kasama na travel pouch. So sulit na siya. If I remember correctly, this costs 250 pesos. And then another favorite that I have is these hand soaps from Body Treats. Sobrang bango. So I got the cucumber and mint and the melon scents. And very interactive, very fun yung booth nila. So this is buy one take one. So sobrang sulit and sobrang bango talaga. We got this because my husband doesn't like washing his hands with dishwashing liquid soap. Ako, I don't mind, but he's more maarte than me pagdating sa mga ganyang bagay. So we got these. I believe you can get these from Watson's as well on a regular day. But if interested kayo, you can check them out sa Watson's app or Watson's website. I will add the link to the description box, and then you can use my code to get free shipping and some beauty con discounts as well. Ito pa pala. So, this is from Fresh Scent Lab. Ito pala yung body mist for men. So, okay, mali yata ako. I think the other one earlier was for women. And this is dude. Namili yung husband ko kung ano yung gusto niyang scent. Ito yung napili niya. Sobrang bango daw. What else? Old Spice also had a booth there. This is 50% off. Sobrang bango ng Old Spice. So, I remember ng high school yung mga crushes ko. Talagang very prominent yung Old Spice na smell. Talagang makapapanaginipan mo siya. Malakas makapog. 50% off siya. My husband got this. I love it. Next is so cute. This is the BeautyCon 2025 pouch. The cashier gave this to me for free. I also got this because I really use this. Itong Dove deodorant dry serum. So my husband and I, we both use this. So we just got to get one. And then, last na from the brown Watson's paper bag, ay itong palette from Issy. So, buy one, take one to. You have there a blush and then you have a bronzer as well. So, buy one, take one siya. And then, this is the customizable palette that I got. So, I'll put these here. And that's it for the brown paper bag. And now, for my favorite loot bag from BeautyCon. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko siya ilalatag, but all my favorite stuff are here. So, ayan. Okay, starting with Clean Clio toothbrush. We have that. And then we have this Sleep Right Plus from Nutri Expert. I think this is a sample. It helps with sleep, I think. And then when you open the sample, meron din siyang pamphlet ng mga ino-offer nilang products. So this is the beauty collagen peptide. I think it's a gummy. So ayan, you got 3. So it's this one, the beauty brand collagen peptide. It's nice that they're giving out samples like that, but the rest of them I got in full size. So we also got this Dove Deeply Nourishing Body Wash and this Ready Set Glow X Max Collins Badass Liquid Liner, which is waterproof and smudge proof. This is in White Magic. Look at that. I like white eyeliners kasi it makes my eyes look bigger. Ito nakakilig. One of my very favorite, nasira ko lang yung box yan, sobrang excitement ko. I got the Sola Yuzu Jelly Double Cleanser. This is a 2-in-1 brightening cleanser for all skin types. So, lagi ko itong nakikita, of course, kay Ray Hermar, and kay CK. So, I am influenced. And then, ito din, sobrang nakakilig. I got the Tevian, their collaboration with Hello Kitty. This is a lip filter in the shade Sweet Girl. Sobrang cute. Look at that. I-swatch natin siya very quickly. And it's Tevian. So, Maring Heart, alam mo na. See? Look how pigmented that is. Ganda. Love it. What else do we got? Oh, I got this clean cotton rounds, multi-purpose cotton rounds. I love this. So, gamit na gamit yan for skincare for sure. Of course, the Tapis Daily Nipple Cover-Ups. So, I really use yung mga nipple tape and cover-ups. So, this is very helpful for me. I love it. And of course, I love Ray Hermar. So, alam niyo na yan. Next is this Kleenex tissue pads. I also got this from DermAid. It's a pouch. Cute. And from Lux Fragrances by Lux Organics. This is in the scent Golden Hour. Yeah, so I like perfumes, so I am definitely going to use this one. Then ito, the Mestiza Healthy Skin Soap. This is a face and body soap. You also got this Glamworks Green Apple and English Pear Martini. It's a cologne. And then this Pond's Bright Miracle Ultimate Clarity Night Serum. More perfume samples from Issy. This exfoliating fruity lip scrub from Pretty Secret. Keratin with collagen hair serum from Argan Beauty. And the next is another one from Issy. This is the Hydro Gloss Hydrating Lip Treatment. So, yan. Ang ganda-ganda ng mga shade nito, guys. Sobrang cute. Wow. So, ayan siya. Ayan yung mga shade niya. And then, may brush pa siyang kasama. I love it. Thank you, Issy. And I got another one from Kotex. As a Kotex girly, I'm very happy. We also got some from Sisters. I use this too kasi kapag walang Kotex, ginagamit ko rin si Sisters kasi very sensitive ako pagdating sa mga ganito. Hindi ako nag-rashes dito sa Kotex and sa Sisters, so I like it. And then, this Neutrogena Hydro Boost Niacinamide Serum. Lip Ice Magic Color. Alam mo, sobrang surprised ako. May lip ice pa pala. This takes me back to high school all over again. Kasi ito talaga gamit ng lahat ng high school. Hindi pa ako mahilig sa makeup noon. Pero lahat ng mga girly girls sa high school, naka-lip eyes, diba? This is in shade Rose Pink. Cute! And then, we got this Camu Invisible Mineral Sunscreen Stick. I'm not sure if this is for men kasi ito yung booth na nandun si Anthony Constantino. He's so handsome, by the way. So if this is for men, for sure my husband will like it. I also got this from Hair Fix. This is the Deep Repair Daily Treatment. From Vaseline, the Glutathione Serum Burst Lotion. This is so cute. Moisture and Hyaluronic Acid Conditioner for dry and dull hair from Monday. Their booth is one of the cutest booths na nandun sa BeautyCon, I must say. Meron silang parang tub na may mga balloons. So cute. I'm not even sure if those are balloons, but well. I got this sample from Lucky Beauty, Lucky Potion Moment of Peace perfume. So this is the brand that Blight or Andrea Brillantes owns. I heard sobrang bango ng mga scents nila. And then ito, very classic, Quick FX Sunscreen. So, alam niyo yan. I'm sure yung mga nagsistart pa lang sa skincare, isa yan sa mga unang ginamit nyo. We also got this Dr. Jart Ceramidin Skin Barrier Moisturizing Milk Lotion. That's a sample. We got this Madagascar Centella Hyalusica Blue Serum from Skin 1004. This sample from Fino. Love it. And then for fresh skin, Decay Aloe Ice 3-in-1 Niacinamide Soothing Gel Lotion. I've tried this before. Maganda siya kasi may cooling effect siya. What else do we got here? So we got this Jergens Age Defying Multivitamin Moisturizer. Happy Skin Volumizing Shampoo and Conditioner. And also Happy Skin Strengthening and Smoothening Shampoo, the soft and straight variant. For sure, makikinabang ang mga friends ko at ang pamilya ko. We also got this new premium whitening from I'm not Hada Labo Premium Whitening Lotion. So that, as you can see, it's a variety of brands talaga. Asian brands, Korean, Japanese, local brands, lahat nandun na. And then we got this Chubaki. So I'm sure if kayo ay chronically online, nakikita nyo na tong Chubaki. So we got the Chubaki Premium X. So yeah. It's for damage care and repair. And then we got some masks and brightening pads from Innisfree. We got this sample from Biore, the makeup remover. I have this in full size. Ginagamit ko talaga siya. Then, Oxycure Ultra Gentle Moisturizer. Oxycure is good for very sensitive skins. Oh, we also have this Sola Daily Sunscreen pa. Nice. Hindi siya naubos, guys. And then, Fresh Hair Lab 3-in-1 Super Hair Gel Mascara. Ang dami-dami pa. Bello Sun Expert Whitening Sunscreen. Derm Aid Skin Relief Daily Protection Powder. So it's really a wide range of products from beauty to skincare to hair care, body care. Meron talaga lahat during the BeautyCon. So if you're wondering if sulit ba, sulit na sulit talaga, guys. Meron din ako naiuwi na Celotex brightening facial wash. So yan, for sensitive skin girlies, approved yan. Okay, one of my favorite things na nakuha ko, ito, from Absidy. So, I really love Absidy as a brand. So, they got me this Lash Lock 40-degree eyelash curler. And then, meron ding Lash Lock Kale Lash Pro Waterproof Mascara. And itong Clear Sculpt and Hold Multi-Peptide Laminating Brow Gels. Thank you, Absidy. Another one from Fresh, we got this Fresh Hair Lab Super Zero Brass Purple Toning Leave-In Spray. So, if you know me, alam nyo na mahilig ako mag-color ng hair. Ngayon, naka-natural hair color ako, pinapa-dye down ko muna siya. But this is very helpful for me because I'm planning to go back to my red hair soon. And then, from Lux Organics Hair Professionals, this is a 3-in-1 Dry Shampoo Volume Blowout. I love dry shampoos. Kapag tinatamad akong maligo, kasi I work from home. So, I don't like taking a bath every day, especially my hair. So, mostly, half bath lang ako, ganyan. We also got this Celotex Brightening Micellar Milk. I got a lot of Celotex products dito sa bahay. Then, this Mentholatum Acne's. It's an oil control moisturizer. So, it's anti-acne and it has oil control as well. And this one, I love it. We have the Hair Treats Hair Spa in full size. Napaka-generous ng mga brands, ha? Meron din itong Round Lab Cleansing Gel. And then itong Fresh Aloe Breath Mist and Icy Mint. I think may isa pa to. So, I have 3 na. So, meron akong charcoal, meron ako nitong pink Himalayan salt, and then itong aloe. More samples. Another one of this. And then, Fresh Skin Lab Vanilla Milkshake Fragrance Body Wash. May body wash na din pala sila. Grabe si Fresh, no? Ang dami na nilang nire-release ng mga magagandang products. And then, more samples from Round Lab. Iba't ibang klase ng skincare, mga cleansers, ampules. Another fragrance body wash from Fresh. Thank you, Fresh. Super generous. We also got this Beauty of Johnson Relief Sun Rice and Probiotics. This is an SPF product. Yan. I'm a BOJ user talaga. I'm sure nakikita niyo yan sa mga posts ko. And then we also got this Avian Emulsion Hydrating Emulsion. Yeah. And then we got this BLK Fall Slash Waterproof Mascara. Thank you, BLK. Yan. I love BLK so much. And then, the Sunny Face Glide Gloss Plumping Gloss. This is the first time na gagamitin ko to. This is in the shade Gumamela. Ganda talaga lagi ng packaging ng Sunny Face. Gusto ko siya lagi. Laging may nagre-regalo sa akin yan pag Pasko, mga friends ko. Thank you, guys. We also got this Snake brand Relaxing Cooling Soap. Sana yung powder, guys. Hindi, okay lang. Pero I love it. Thank you so much. We also got this Eye White Super Glow Serum. Sobrang dami, guys. The Burt's Bees Moisturizing Lip Balm. If you know, you know. Patapos na siya, malapit na. The Apollo Lip Balm petroleum jelly. Cute naman. More samples from Skin 1004. I love this so much. Ako ay isang Laneige user. So this is a bouncy and firm sleeping mask. Yan. Ay, yan. Nakikita niyo, Laneige user talaga ako. I love that. Pag may nagtatanong sa akin ng wishlist ko, usually nilalagay ko talaga yung lip mask ni Laneige. And then we have this from Vice Cosmetics, the Velvet Soft Perfect Kiss, ang lip bullet nila. Yan. Alam niyo na yan, Vice Cosmetics user din talaga ako. And then this Mice Unseen Perfect Serum. Cute naman ang packaging nila. Look at that. And then from Detail Cosmetics, we got this Glass Stain Mini, the Hydrating Serum Stain, and the Shane Sunburnt. Gusto ko yung mga minis na mga products kasi maliit nga yung bag ko. Simula nung nagka-car kami, hindi na ako talaga nagdadala ng malalaking bags kasi, well, nagdadala lang ako before kasi nga wala naman ako paglalagyan. So, ngayon, talagang lagi na akong pack light. So I think that's it. Yeah, that's it for our BeautyCon 2025 haul. Sobrang thank you to all the brands who shared their amazing products and yung mga very interactive and fun booths. It was really worth it coming to the BeautyCon this year. It is my first time and I really had a blast. Will I be going back next year? Of course, I will be going back next year. It was such a nice experience. I got to meet fellow influencers and content creators, mga tao na nilook up to ko in the beauty industry. I also got to see some of the actresses and actors that just watched on TV, like si Miss Ann Curtis, Max Collins was there, and many more. Sobrang nakakapagod, by the way, disclaimer, nakakapagod and sobrang nakaka-overwhelm sa dami ng mga brands and products na pwede mong tignan at itry at bilhin. Sobrang daming deals na magaganda, but it's so worth it. Kaya kung nag-iisip pa kayo kung pupunta ba kayo next year, ito na yung sign. Oo, pumunta kayo. Kasi sulit siya and it's really a one-of-a-kind experience if you're into beauty, skincare. Not just for content creators like me, ha? This is for everyone talaga. Lahat ng mga babae dyan na maarte, lahat ng mahilig sa skincare, sa makeup. It's really something that will blow your mind. So, ayun, I hope you guys like this mini haul. Actually, I'm not sure if it's mini, medyo madami siya, but I hope that somehow answers your question if you're wondering if worth it bang pumunta sa BeautyCon. So that concludes my vlog. Before I end this, I want to thank Watson's Philippines, SM Beauty, Look at Me PH, and of course, all the brands that I shared with you earlier. Thank you so much for making BeautyCon 2025 a blast. Ayun lang, I hope I get to see you next year sa BeautyCon 2026. And again, if hindi ka nakapunta sa BeautyCon 2025, or if BeautyCon feels too overwhelming for you, you can still score great deals on the Watsons app or website. I will add the link in the description box. And then you can make use of my code para naman makakuha ka ng mga great deals, great BeautyCon deals, and you won't miss out on anything. So I'll add that here and enjoy. Happy shopping! I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye!